can we meet here? Parang pabalik na siya, guys. Hindi.
Punta sa bahay.
Bahay? Car carry water. So, dito pwedeng magpahinga. Where's the other?
Kita pala kayo dun.
Nakikipag... Andun yung otter kanina eh. Dun oh, dun.
Ayun o.
Oh, there you go. Ang galing dun oh. Para siyang mermaid. Cute. Ayan na naman guys.
Parang uso lang ni Amber oh.
May shoes. Mabuhok din yung ulo niya, no? Ang cute. Ate, pahingi ako niya. Pahingi ako niya ate, ah. Look at that. You can touch it. Come on. What's that? It's a sea otter. Oh.
How much are they?
They're not for sale.
They're not for sale. Ayun o. Brie, come on. Eh, what's the, ano? How do you feel it? Touch mo yung sea otters, ano? Yeah. May mga umupo na eh.
Ayun lang yan sa ibang...
Gusto niyang laruin yung ano. Okay, go. Okay, go. Come on. Oh, you can try. Gusto niya i-try ito.
I'm trying my best. Yes, Robin. You don't know how to
Look at this one, guys. These two. They are two. Ate, yun pa isa, oh. Pinakain mo, Gam?
Bigas.
Ay, nanay. Squirrel, baby! Oh my God!
Ano yung meron doon?
Moose, ayun o, dalawa. Kasi kanina tinatawag eh. What's in here? Pinakita ano to? Ah, yung ano, kuta ng polar bear din. Kaya lang nagtatago yung mga polar bear. Nandun sila sa kabilang cage. Ikot. Ang laki ng iniikutan niya. Smile. 1, 2. Okay. Another one. It's a Taylor. Oy, si Brie! Ano yan na? Souvenir shop din. Nakabili na kaming souvenir. Wow. Oh, this is where we came from earlier. Oh, it's a different one. Yeah. This is the other side. where we can watch the polar bear, but it's hiding. Nakita na natin siya dun sa front part kanina. Buti hindi sila natatakot pag nag-ano yung ano, no, airplane, no? Sanay na din sila. Pa yung pag-swimming ng polar bear, nasa 9 to 10 daw, 10 hanggang 11, ganun. Ayan, pwede mong bilan kung gutom na siya. You want ice cream, Brie? Ayan na naman, bibili na naman. It's so cold, you don't need that.
Yeah, you have your electric fan.
Ice cream, you want? Brie, oh, ice cream, you want? Ayun yung dalawang, anong tawag dyan? Ingay yung airplane, no? Nasa tuktok lang namin. May part 2, no? May part 2. Ayun sa Bugtopia. Sa Butterfly Foundation. Ay, yeah, tama. Yeah, don't show. Mai-stuck tayo dyan kapag ka nandyan siya. Takpan mo. Kailangan lituin kasi pag nakita niya yan, mai-stuck na tayo dyan. O, si babe, pwede mag-stroller. I saw.
Here. Pero yung kanina nga doon sa indoor lang.
Bibit-bitin. Here. So, Animal Welfare Watch.
Daddy, Mama, can we go to my favorite restaurant again?
It's a different place, baby. So maybe it's a different restaurant.
There's noodles.
Where is it? Do not bowl. Ah, the wolves. Please do not. Human howling and other loud noises disrupts natural use of the wolf pack. Where's the wolf? Let's see the wolf. Ay, eto pala sila. Oh my goodness. Quiet.
Green, don't
Pakita mo.
Don't yell.
Be quiet lang. These are the pack of wolves. Sleeping. Cute naman. Are these? Do you see them? They are sleeping.
Happy naman itong maangat na to.
So cute. These are the wolves, guys. Mm-mm. Cute. This is their habitat. Sleep lang sila, oh. Magkakadikit talaga sila. They just wanted to stay together, no? Tulog lang sila, oh. Just sleeping parang aso lang. Aso nga, diba sila?
Yung anak ko sa bahay. Nakapadok pa yung ulo niya. Akala ko safe.
Diba?
No. Parang
Ayun yung ano nila, hinga.
oh, ano yun nandun kanina sa taas?
Iwan ko. says here, Bayong Builders, Wood Bison. So, Wood Bison yung dalawang nandyan. Ayan o. Okay. Saan na yung isa doon? Tago na yung isa. Maingay oh, whooping crane. Take a picture there, baby Bree. Take a picture lang. So, a whooper mystery. Hide and seek in the Canadian wilderness. This is the whooping crane. So, yung maingay na yan. Wait, wait, wait! Sabi.
I know how to sing.
Can you do it? So, nice.
Mom, look.
Small one na lang. So, nice.
Mom, look.
Small one na lang. Let's see. Ito na yung whooping crane, guys. Cute, oh. Ang taas. Ang tangkad niya. Yeah. Yeah, bison. Yun naman yung bison sa likod. Uy! Ba't nagsasara yung... Takot si ate.
It was like,
Yeah. Ah. So what can you see here naman? Stop before your selfie. So, grizzly bear. Ang dami sila. Black bear, grizzly bear. May, sabi dito, may Teslin, Orson. Teslin ang female, Orson ang male. Sa black bear yon. Pag grizzly bear naman, Fitz ang male,
Hindi ba
Turner ang...
pangalan nila yun?
Grizzly, black bear.
Kasi Teslin.
Oh, that's their name.
Different.
So, si Tesli, si Orson, Fitz, and Turner.
Hindi kinakain mo.
masyado na kasi mayabang.
Ay! Uy! They don't want to come out. Okay, the grizzly bear is coming, guys. Here, so cute. Ah, grizzly ba yung brown?
Brown bear.
Oo, grizzly bear siya. Di ba tayo dun?
Mama, can you give me baby wings? Look.
Yes. Bear, black bear. Saan siya nagtago? So, black bear. Grizzly bear. Yun yung black bear. Oh, yeah, it's coming. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. So cute.
So cute. Wow.
We are so
Can you
lucky
give me a
today.
roar?
Oh my goodness. Malis na. Here, there's a... There. There. It's coming here. Wow. Black bear.
Oh, I see now.
Cute.
They are coming along.
Hi there. Oh my goodness, so cute.
Did you see the bear chasing the gopher?
Nabuli yung squirrel. Yung isa, maliit yung nabuli.
Squishy.
Be your best
You
terrified.
can wipe again.
Best terrified expression. wow.
Yeah, the black one.
The black one may have more. Oh, yum, 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 yum. So yummy. Now get off me. Okay, get off me. Oh, yeah.
Your family's watching.
Yum, 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 yum.
Wow. It's eating. Hindi niya kinaya. Look at these guys. Baby, what's that? Yeah.
What?
Okay, you go. You can walk. Yeah.
Can we buy
Oh, grizzly bear
Ano yan?
and
Black
black
bear
bear.
na yan.
We have to find the lynx. Canada lynx. It's here?
I just seen it. It was growing fast.
Where is it now?
It was just crawling up and up.
Oh.
Mama, wait. Can I show you? It just go over here and then.
Pagod na si Kujang-Jang. Papabuhat na naman. Oh, ang dami pa guys. Malulobat na tayo.
That's what the thing.
Tomorrow's footprints are made today. Whoosh! Ganon. Ay, nice river. Cool. Ganyan yung ano yung ilog sa Cagayan River na maalala ko ng bata pa ako. Kaya yung Calao ilog. Ganun ba yung kulay ng Calao sa ilog sa Calao dati? Before. Mga 80s, 90s? 90s nga pala. Tama, 80s, 90s. Pero nung nag 2000 na, wala na. Tutut! Wow, pala may mga unggoy pa. Kaya nga, madami pa. So, let's save our battery, guys.